So hi, today I had a question about how you can check if your post on Facebook or ads are relevant to your audience. And today I'm going to take you through the Insights tab where you can get engagements about your post, where you can get details about your audience and things like that. So that you'll be able to see a lot of information on the Insights tab about which posts are more engaging and more relevant to your audience. So I hope this one video will be helpful, and it's something that you can continue doing as we continue improving how we utilize Facebook pages. So what you need is to go to your page. You can go to your page through the Facebook page manager app, or you can go to Facebook profile, your Facebook profile, then choose the page that you want to check. And once you are there, you like now I'm on my page 20. And you can see there's the page, add, notifications, and those other tabs. But once you scroll down, you can see where it says Insights. So right now you can see Insights for the last 28 days. And about the new page likes, you can get how many people have been reached by your posts, how many check-ins, and other details about your post. So let's go ahead and check the Insights tab. See how you can determine which of your posts are more relevant to your audience. So once you're here, you can see there's this tab here where you can see different metrics. And also you can see now other posts. You can see how many posts you've made. Like I've made 5 posts in the last 28 days. And I've reached about 1,200 people. And you can see the post that you've done. If you have had any event, you can see event there and the responses. You can also see other metrics like check-in, new page likes, new followers, clicks to your website, clicks to your phone number, the get directions, page button clicks. All those at the discovery, you can see how many people have been reached, how many page views. At the audience, you can determine who your audience is and things like that. And all this I'm doing on my phone, so this is something that you can do on your phone. These are the details that you can check on your phone. So to check which post has been is most relevant, what you want to look at is which post has more engagement, right? So you just need to click on post on more. Like you've seen there, I've clicked on more. So where it says more here, I'll just click there. And once you click there, you're going to see all the ads that you've posted in the last 28 days. And you can check which one was most popular. So once you see which one was popular, then you can go ahead and check what is it about that post that was popular and things like that. And then you can keep posting things like that, similar posts. So that's for posts. If you want to check another thing, maybe you want to check your audience, you can go at the audience where it says audience, and then you click on more. So once you click on more, you're going to see the people who like your page. You can see for me, I have about 16% are women, and 84% of my page likes are men. So I might want to target more men. I might want to target men more than women on my page. You can see like top locations. There you can see the topmost location is Nairobi there. You can see I have some few people in Mombasa, Kampala. I have some people in the city estate in Kenya, Nakuru also. And you can click on more to check other cities. So people also like media and news company like China. People who like my page also like other things like China, Xinhua, Science Tech, and things like that. Public figure, there is Strive Masiyiwa, Santa Regina, and all those names. Product or service, they like LG and electronics. The non-profit is Jerusalem. So these are things that people like on top of those people who like my page also like these things. So they are also interested in such like things. And probably I need to have a better audience probably. So you can also see who they are, all of them. Once you click on this icon here, once you click there, you can see all the people who like your page. So is there something else that might interest you? I don't think so. So this I hope this video has been helpful, and it's something that you're going to actually utilize, because Page Insights is one of the tools that is very, very critical when you're doing Facebook marketing, because it gives you data about your audience, and this is what you want to use when you're targeting, when you're marketing your product. So thank you very much, and hope to see you in the next video.